Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to claim a tax refund. First, gather all your essential documents, including income statements like Form W-2 from employers or various Form 1099s for other income. Next, compile records for any deductions or credits you qualify for, such as student loan interest or child tax credits. Finally, confirm your correct filing status, which is crucial for accurate tax calculation. To successfully claim your refund, you'll need your Social Security number or taxpayer identification number readily available. It's also vital to have all your Forms W-2, which report your wages and withheld taxes from each employer. Don't forget any Forms 1099, covering income from sources like investments, retirement distributions, or contract work. These documents are the foundation of your tax return. Once your documents are organized, it's time to file. You can choose to e-file, which is generally faster and more accurate, or submit a paper return by mail. Many people use tax software, which guides you through the process, or opt for a qualified tax professional to ensure accuracy. Always double-check every entry before submitting to avoid delays in your refund. After filing, the most common question is, when will I get my money? Direct deposit is the quickest and most secure method, often delivering your refund within 3 weeks. Alternatively, you can choose to receive a paper check mailed to your address, though this typically takes a bit longer. While you wait, consider checking out the link in the description for a book that offers a fresh perspective on personal finance, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.